Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am setting up my New Year bullet journal. I have been using bullet journal system for past 1 year. Last year I thoroughly enjoyed using my bullet journal and also got into a little bit of doodle here and there. This year I want to do it in a very planned way, but still keeping things pretty simple and minimal, if I can say so. For this setup I'm using my 3 brush pens, and all of the products used will be linked in the description box. 2 Crayolas, 2 Muji pen, Sigma Micron, and 1 sketch pen that is from an Amazon basic collection. Apart from that, these are staples that you'd need: scissors, eraser, and glue stick. So let's get started. I've already drawn all my setup so that I do not goof up on camera, but believe it or not, it just happens. I happen to have these little punches as well, and I'm using this craft paper that came with all the online deliveries. I wrote a very simple note to self: don't let the behaviors of others destroy your inner peace. I think we all need to resonate with this, that more than we being responsible for disturbing the inner peace inside us, it's the world around us, people around us, or influence around us that destroys the inner peace. When we see people going on big vacations, enjoying and doing lot of other things, sometimes we wonder why it doesn't happen in our life. Or when we see somebody very beautiful and we keep asking ourselves, why are we not in that beautiful look, or something like that. Like anything could be disturbing our inner peace. So kind of in 2023 I really want to remind myself that I should not get influenced by anyone else or anything else that will destroy the inner peace that I am trying so hard to establish in my life. I'm using a shadow effect and little bit of faux calligraphy here and there. I am not at all good in calligraphy, so Ishi was helping me to understand the shadows and the movement of pen. By the way, all the stationery that I'm using here is not mine at all. except for pencil and this Amazon basic sketch pen. The rest all are my daughter's stationery supply. She is a very good artist and a calligrapher, so I keep borrowing all the supplies from her. So for this cover page, I kept a very simple doodle, and I'm using my micron pen to just kind of finish the lines and also outline the doodle that I've made. In the next page, I just made this beautiful simple quote, "Hey 2023." I didn't want to add too many heavy quotes or anything. I just kept it simple. I really loved this font that I saw on Pinterest, and I will leave the link here somewhere. And there's some real fun fonts. If you want to search, you can search on Google or on Pinterest. These are super fun places to check for new fonts. So I kind of tried my best to sketch it out. Still, I am not very comfortable doing heavy artwork in my bullet journal. I have doodled quite a lot around this bullet journal everywhere. On the left side, I am sticking this small little sleeve and adding these flashcards, which has all my routines and to-dos, which I'll share in the end where I'm doing the flip through. Also, I've created these grid spacer sheet in form of a ruler. Now, using some craft paper, I have cut out these round and I'm sticking it, so it works absolutely perfect as round stickers. I keep collecting beautiful papers that I get in gift wraps or in packaging. Here I am making an annual calendar, and by this it gives me a bird's eye view of what's coming, so it's all in one page and I really like that. I just outlined everything using my micron pen. Now I'm using my Amazon basic pen and outlining 4 rectangles on the right side. This is where I'm going to do all the goals for the year. I have divided my goals in 4 categories, which includes mind, physical, relationships, and career. Now, as we all know, goals without actions is just a dream. And this year in 2022, I read 2 very good books, which was 7 Habits of Highly Effective People and Atomic Habits. These 2 books I recommend highly, and I'm going to break down my goals into action based on these 2 books. I will share a detail in case if you're interested how I'm going to do this. So let me know in the comment section. If you are interested, I'll make absolutely a detailed video how I break down all these goals into tiny actions, the reasoning behind it, and the entire method of any goal that could be break down into small little actions. I have never viewed my goals like this before, so it is quite a learning for me, and I'm too excited to use this. For the next spread, I am making again 6 rectangles per page, and in this I want to plan all my YouTube theme for the entire year. Now by theme I mean each month has something special and all the videos has to be planned accordingly. I have never done so much planning beforehand for my YouTube channel, but since this channel is growing, I am getting more and more cautious of the content that I'm getting for my viewers. I want to bring much value on the table for the time they spend on my channel. So this is something that I am looking forward to do in 2023. Be more planned, be more productive, and keep things in a way that it is attainable and not just be in some dreamland. Now, another area of my life which I'm seriously struggling with is my weight, and since I moved to Mumbai, somehow because of staying home so much or whatever it was, my weight has increased a lot and it has reached an alarming state. So for this year, my main focus is physical health, and I am hoping that I will reach my goal. I have done it in past as well, so I'm pretty pumped up that I'll be able to do it this year as well. So I'll give you an update about this, though I don't want to turn this channel into a weight loss channel at all, but yes, I will keep you briefed about how it's going. So in case anyone is interested, can join me in this challenge. If you are also on a weight loss journey or something, I'll be more than happy. This, what I am writing with small black boxes, is number of steps that I want to walk. Now I really don't do a lot of walking. I used to walk a lot long time back, and kind of stopped in between. I don't know what happened. It's just my mind kind of shut down for all kinds of physical activity. I really want to encourage myself to get back to all kinds of physical activities and workouts, and to begin with, I want to start with my walks. I also added this habits to follow each day. Now let's flip through the entire setup. If you have liked this video till here, then please give this video a thumbs up. Do leave a comment in case you need a breakdown of the goal setup. This is my favorite thing that I added in this bullet journal, because these are the things that I'm going to carry in my next bullet journal as well. Not much needs to be changed, and if in case it changes, it is just swap of a paper. So I am pretty pumped up using these flashcard setup. I'm also going to add measurements for my weekly spreads that you saw. This grid spacer will come really handy while making spreads. Trust me, if you have ever done bullet journaling, you know that it takes the longest to measure the boxes. I'm excited to do my goal setup using the books that I have mentioned, and hoping to hit 50k. So if you haven't hit subscribe, then help me and subscribe to the channel and follow for more content. These non-food rewards I'm excited about, and I will keep you posted about my weight loss journey. In case you're interested, leave me a comment about it. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.